आत्ताच.
Just now.
आत्ताच.
Just now. Just now.
लवकर या.
Come soon.
लवकर या.
Come soon. Come soon.
आता नाही.
Not now.
आता नाही.
Not now. Not now.
तयार व्हा.
Get ready.
तयार व्हा.
Get ready. Get ready.
आत या.
Come inside.
आत या.
Come inside. Come inside.
अजून नाही.
Not yet.
अजून नाही.
Not yet. Not yet.
धन्यवाद म्हणा.
Say thanks.
धन्यवाद म्हणा.
Say thanks. Say thanks.
निघून जा.
Go away.
निघून जा.
Go away. Go away.
हे धरा.
Hold this.
हे धरा.
Hold this. Hold this.
खाली बसा.
Sit down.
खाली बसा.
Sit down. Sit down.
उभे रहा.
Stand up.
उभे रहा.
Stand up. Stand up.
इथे या.
Come here.
इथे या.
Come here. Come here.
तिथे जा.
Go there.
तिथे जा.
Go there. Go there.
येथे थांबा.
Wait here.
येथे थांबा.
Wait here. Wait here.
इथे बघा.
Look here.
इथे बघा.
Look here. Look here.
बाजूला व्हा.
Move aside.
बाजूला व्हा.
Move aside. Move aside.
हळू बोला.
Speak slowly.
हळू बोला.
Speak slowly. Speak slowly.
नंतर बोलूया.
Talk later.
नंतर बोलूया.
Talk later. Talk later.
पुन्हा प्रयत्न करा.
Try again.
पुन्हा प्रयत्न करा.
Try again. Try again.
हे वाचा.
Read this.
हे वाचा.
Read this. Read this.
लिहून ठेवा.
Write down.
लिहून ठेवा.
Write down. Write down.
लक्षपूर्वक ऐका.
Listen carefully.
लक्षपूर्वक ऐका.
Listen carefully. Listen carefully.
पुन्हा विचार करा.
Think again.
पुन्हा विचार करा.
Think again. Think again.
जागे व्हा.
Wake up.
जागे व्हा.
Wake up. Wake up.
शांत व्हा.
Calm down.
शांत व्हा.
Calm down. Calm down.
घाई करा.
Hurry up.
घाई करा.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
वेग कमी करा.
Slow down.
वेग कमी करा.
Slow down. Slow down.
येथे थांबा.
Stay here.
येथे थांबा.
Stay here. Stay here.
खर्च कमी करा.
Cut cost.
खर्च कमी करा.
Cut cost. Cut cost.
आता निघून जा.
Leave now.
आता निघून जा.
Leave now. Leave now.
कठोर परिश्रम करा.
Work hard.
कठोर परिश्रम करा.
Work hard. Work hard.
हळू खा.
Eat slowly.
हळू खा.
Eat slowly. Eat slowly.
पाणी प्या.
Drink water.
पाणी प्या.
Drink water. Drink water.
शांत रहा.
Keep quiet.
शांत रहा.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
आता सुरू करा.
Start now.
आता सुरू करा.
Start now. Start now.
येथे थांबा.
Stop here.
येथे थांबा.
Stop here. Stop here.
हळू चाला.
Walk slowly.
हळू चाला.
Walk slowly. Walk slowly.
वेगाने धावा.
Run fast.
वेगाने धावा.
Run fast. Run fast.
चांगला खेळ.
Play well.
चांगला खेळ.
Play well. Play well.
चांगला अभ्यास करा.
Study well.
चांगला अभ्यास करा.
Study well. Study well.
चांगली झोप घ्या.
Sleep well.
चांगली झोप घ्या.
Sleep well. Sleep well.
आता विश्रांती घ्या.
Rest now.
आता विश्रांती घ्या.
Rest now. Rest now.
हे तपासा.
Check this.
हे तपासा.
Check this. Check this.
हे आणा.
Bring this.
हे आणा.
Bring this. Bring this.
हे घ्या.
Take this.
हे घ्या.
Take this. Take this.
ते उघडा.
Open it.
ते उघडा.
Open it. Open it.
ते बंद करा.
Close it.
ते बंद करा.
Close it. Close it.
बाहेर थांबा.
Wait outside.
बाहेर थांबा.
Wait outside. Wait outside.
परत या.
Come back.
परत या.
Come back. Come back.
घरी जा.
Go home.
घरी जा.
Go home. Go home.
त्याला विचारा.
Ask him.
त्याला विचारा.
Ask him. Ask him.
मला कॉल करा.
Call me.
मला कॉल करा.
Call me. Call me.
माझ्या मागे या.
Follow me.
माझ्या मागे या.
Follow me. Follow me.
आमच्यात सामील व्हा.
Join us.
आमच्यात सामील व्हा.
Join us. Join us.
मला मदत करा.
Help me.
मला मदत करा.
Help me. Help me.
माझ्यावर विश्वास ठेवा.
Trust me.
माझ्यावर विश्वास ठेवा.
Trust me. Trust me.
हे पहा.
Watch this.
हे पहा.
Watch this. Watch this.
पुन्हा तपासा.
Check again.
पुन्हा तपासा.
Check again. Check again.
तिथे बघा.
Look there.
तिथे बघा.
Look there. Look there.
स्थिर उभे रहा.
Stand still.
स्थिर उभे रहा.
Stand still. Stand still.
येथे बसा.
Sit here.
येथे बसा.
Sit here. Sit here.
पुढे जा.
Move forward.
पुढे जा.
Move forward. Move forward.
मागे वळा.
Turn back.
मागे वळा.
Turn back. Turn back.
डावीकडे वळा.
Turn left.
डावीकडे वळा.
Turn left. Turn left.
उजवीकडे वळा.
Turn right.
उजवीकडे वळा.
Turn right. Turn right.
धीराने वाट पहा.
Wait patiently.
धीराने वाट पहा.
Wait patiently. Wait patiently.
स्पष्टपणे बोला.
Speak clearly.
स्पष्टपणे बोला.
Speak clearly. Speak clearly.
काळजीपूर्वक विचार करा.
Think carefully.
काळजीपूर्वक विचार करा.
Think carefully. Think carefully.
अधिक प्रयत्न करा.
Try harder.
अधिक प्रयत्न करा.
Try harder. Try harder.
अधिक वेगाने काम करा.
Work faster.
अधिक वेगाने काम करा.
Work faster. Work faster.
काळजीपूर्वक चाला.
Walk carefully.
काळजीपूर्वक चाला.
Walk carefully. Walk carefully.
वेगाने धावा.
Run quickly.
वेगाने धावा.
Run quickly. Run quickly.
दररोज अभ्यास करा.
Study daily.
दररोज अभ्यास करा.
Study daily. Study daily.
अधिक सराव करा.
Practice more.
अधिक सराव करा.
Practice more. Practice more.
लवकर शिका.
Learn quickly.
लवकर शिका.
Learn quickly. Learn quickly.
पुन्हा वाचा.
Read again.
पुन्हा वाचा.
Read again. Read again.
स्पष्टपणे लिहा.
Write clearly.
स्पष्टपणे लिहा.
Write clearly. Write clearly.
त्वरित उत्तर द्या.
Answer quickly.
त्वरित उत्तर द्या.
Answer quickly. Answer quickly.
काम सुरू करा.
Start working.
काम सुरू करा.
Start working. Start working.
बोलणे थांबवा.
Stop talking.
बोलणे थांबवा.
Stop talking. Stop talking.
प्रयत्न करत रहा.
Keep trying.
प्रयत्न करत रहा.
Keep trying. Keep trying.
शांत रहा.
Stay calm.
शांत रहा.
Stay calm. Stay calm.
तयार रहा.
Be ready.
तयार रहा.
Be ready. Be ready.
खंबीर रहा.
Be strong.
खंबीर रहा.
Be strong. Be strong.
काळजी घ्या.
Be careful.
काळजी घ्या.
Be careful. Be careful.
शांत रहा.
Be quiet.
शांत रहा.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
नम्र रहा.
Be polite.
नम्र रहा.
Be polite. Be polite.
दयाळू व्हा.
Be kind.
दयाळू व्हा.
Be kind. Be kind.
धीर धरा.
Be patient.
धीर धरा.
Be patient. Be patient.
प्रामाणिक रहा.
Be honest.
प्रामाणिक रहा.
Be honest. Be honest.
लवकर या.
Come early.
लवकर या.
Come early. Come early.
लवकर निघा.
Leave early.
लवकर निघा.
Leave early. Leave early.
उद्या या.
Come tomorrow.
उद्या या.
Come tomorrow. Come tomorrow.
आज या.
Come today.
आज या.
Come today. Come today.
हळू जा.
Go slowly.
हळू जा.
Go slowly. Go slowly.
काळजीपूर्वक जा.
Go carefully.
काळजीपूर्वक जा.
Go carefully. Go carefully.
पाणी आणा.
Bring water.
पाणी आणा.
Bring water. Bring water.
विश्रांती घ्या.
Take rest.
विश्रांती घ्या.
Take rest. Take rest.
काम पूर्ण करा.
Finished work.
काम पूर्ण करा.
Finish work. Finished work.
येथे स्वच्छ करा.
Clean here.
येथे स्वच्छ करा.
Clean here. Clean here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for your practice and learning together.